Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp login problem. So if you are not being able to log into your WhatsApp account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video to the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are already connected to Wi-Fi and also connected to some kind of data and still not being able to log in WhatsApp account, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to fix the network issue which you are getting on a device. So simply turn back on the Wi-Fi and try to log into your WhatsApp account again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then make sure that you have entered your country code correctly and number correctly. So if you have not entered the country code or number correctly, then that may also be the issue that you are not being able to log in. The third thing which you can do is that you just need to go to Play Store or App Store, and from here you just need to search the app WhatsApp and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available for WhatsApp, then you just need to update it and try to log into your device. And by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the login problem of WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.